Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw a cute flower together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw a large circle for the center of the flower. Draw 7 petals with an arc-shaped line, like I do. Wow, our design is starting to take shape. Now draw the stem with 2 curved lines. Draw the outline of a leaf with a semicircle and a wavy line. Now draw the second leaf, first a semicircle, then a wavy line. Now divide the leaves by drawing an arc-shaped line inside each leaf. Now draw the eyes with a large circle and a small one for each eye. Finally, draw the smiling mouth, a round line and 2 small lines for the cheeks. Wow, our flower turned out really well. Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use red for the first petal. Color the second petal with orange. Use yellow for the third petal. Color the fourth petal with green. Color the fifth petal with indigo. Use blue for the sixth petal. And use purple for the last petal. Color the face of the flower with a darker orange. Use a dark green to color the stem and leaves. And use black for the pupils of the eyes. Wow! Our multicolored flower turned out great! Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!